Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to fix unknown error occurred, iTunes on Windows 10. First method is, type Internet Options on Windows search bar. Click Internet Options. Open Connections tab. Click LAN Settings. Make sure unchecked, Proxy Server. Second method is, click Start, Settings. Click Time and Language. Click Sync now under Synchronize your clock. Change your time zone. Turn on time zone automatically. Third method is, type Control Panel in Windows search bar. Click Control Panel. Click Windows Defender Firewall. Click Allow an apps or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. Click Allow in other apps. Browse to add iTunes app. Check private and public. Click OK. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.